Hello and welcome to this video training course. And in this course, we're going to be looking at the basics of creating video. And so the first thing that we're going to cover is what kind of video do you want to create? And we'll touch on that a little bit more in the next slide, but you want to get your mind thinking about what exactly you want to cover and what exactly you hope to accomplish in this video. And then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to create a visual aid. We're going to set up to record. We're actually going to do the recording process. We're going to do the editing and finalizing process. And then I'm going to show you the optimal settings for exporting and uploading. And what I'll do through this entire training course is I'll give you a free option and I'll give you a paid option. And whenever we go through these different programs, we're going to look at the advantages of the paid versus the free. Obviously, the free is always going to be cheaper, and it's usually going to be easier to get started that way because you don't have as much initial investment. So as far as this quick start guide, where do you need to start? The first thing you need to ask yourself is what type of video are you trying to create? Is it a sales video? Is it an informational video or an informational product? Is it a product video where you're showing off a product, showing how it works, whether it be a physical product or whether it be a product that you can show on your screen? And we'll mostly cover in the quick start guide here screen recording. So we're looking at documents. We're not really being on the camera. And these are the easiest types of video to get started. You can also create a training video, or you can just do this for fun. Maybe create a viral video, a funny video, something like that, that then you can throw your tag on there, whether it be your company logo, your name, whatever works for you to make this video go viral. The other thing you can do is create testimonials. And then the other thing you want to think about whenever you first start and you're laying the foundation here is you want to think about your published location, whether it be YouTube or Udemy or whether it be a self-hosted page. And I'm sure we've all heard of YouTube. YouTube is the monster of online video. It's one of the easiest ways to get your video online. It gets organic traffic on YouTube itself, and you can also use YouTube to embed your videos in other places. And we'll talk about that a little bit more in the advanced training later on. And then what Udemy is, if you've never heard of Udemy, is it is a place to sell courses. So this would be perfect for some sort of sales or informational product or some sort of training that you want to sell and make money off of. That's what Udemy is all about. You can do a free option as well on Udemy, but Udemy is focused on school, it's focused on teaching and training. And then, of course, you can also do a self-hosted page, whether that be embedding it yourself or embedding it via YouTube. And if you don't know what embed is, we'll talk about that later on in the exporting process. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to create our presentation. And what we're going to do is we're going to use PowerPoint or Keynote, or a Google Drive is going to be the free option. And I'll show you how to create a really cool video for whatever use that you're using it for, and we'll get to that in the next video. I'll see you there.